Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text in Roblox Studio, so keep watching. First, you need to load into your Roblox world that you want to create, whatever world you want. And then you have to go to Toolbox. So you see where my mouse is right here? Yeah, this. Click on it, then type in, make sure on models, not my models, not recent models, not this thing, not the ones you made, but this. And then type in sign. Then grab whatever sign you want. Okay, now make sure you have Explorer and Properties on, which is this right here. See? Now, this won't work if you don't have that on. Tap on this, press right here on the arrow, press down on that arrow, press down on this arrow, so press on the model and press the arrow so it shows down. Press on the sign on the arrow so it shows down. Press on the surface UI and on the arrow so it shows down. Now tap on the sign and then put in properties at the top. Text. And it should show you this. Text right here. Delete that and put whatever you want. Like subscribe. Or like. Anyway, that's how it works. This is not needed for any scripting, but just make sure you have this. So, I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please subscribe and like, and also hit that bell so that you don't miss any of my amazing videos. Goodbye.